Introducing the world's most simple, smart, and compact modular power solutions, Ecoflow Power Kits. Charge up, store, and use energy anytime, anywhere. Wherever you call home, set up your energy source 5 times faster. Space is valuable. That's why we made stackable batteries and created the Power Hub to combine 5 into 1. Control the entire kit with a console or from the comfort of your phone. Living off-grid is simple. Monitor and power all your appliances. Running low? Charging by one of 4 ways. With solar, your RV alternator, shore power, or even the Ecoflow Smart Generator. Pick a power kit that's right for you, or build it your way. Ecoflow Power Kits. Simple, smart, compact.